They say the creek preserve.
You want to get that sign?
That's right. It's cool here.
Yeah. I don't know what that Eagle's Nest observation deck is.
We can do that after this. Maybe.
No, I think that's where this trail leads or something.
This is definitely preserve because I'm saying James City Creek Preserve.
Yeah, I think that's right.
This is a concentration preserve because it's on a boundary sign.
No.
Yes, it is.
Oh. Remember Teresa Bowden used to do speech with you? Scott used to do PT and Teresa used to do speech.
Scott the paleontologist?
No, not Scott the paleontologist. I don't remember your therapist. You'd know him if you saw them.
Can I see him again?
I don't know. Probably not. It's possible though. Sometimes you run into people from the past, but mostly you don't.
Very cool preserve here, huh? Are there any other preserves on the island, do you?
What that?
Are there any other preserves on the island?
I don't know. I mean, luckily we found this, and in the future we can look it up on the internet, I guess.
The arrows is that way.
What's that?
The arrows is we go that way.
Cool. Is that some kind of solar panel?
Yep.
Pourquoi?
I know a truck, SUV won't get towed. But they're pulling over.
Yeah.
Will we get towed?
Wicked Toad?
Will our SUV get towed?
Oh. I like Wicked Toad better, but no, it won't.
No, we can tow it.
Will it get towed, Wicked Toad? You could write a song, buddy. The name of the song would be Will It Get Towed, Wicked Toad? Hear the toad get wicked. Hear the toad get wicked.
What? I wonder if you're gonna perform it. I'm kind of excited. We should go further on Pine Island to see any more cool places.
Definitely.
What's that? Whoever. Can I get a little edgy, hon? This gone. This is good. Me, huh? Don't get the flower.
Flower got me. Ah.
What?
That. Is it a tortoise hole?
I think so.
Let me get out of the sun. I mean, out of the, yeah, out of the sun. Should we knock?
Ooh, go away.
Hey, look at that.
What?
Eagle's nest.
Where?
I don't know, the brown signs with the arrows up ahead.
Some gopher tortoise doesn't want to
Oh, it actually goes in eagles,
I don't know. What? what the heck. I can't imagine, because I mean, they can't control where the eating nest will be. I don't know what the heck.
Here we are.
There's a hat, apparently. Huh?
I've seen an eagle nest.
Got it.
Maybe this trail continues. It is on grass. Where's that from?
This is weird, dude.
But it's far away. Yeah.